This message is for Cesar Millan. If you're not Cesar Millan, if you could just keep scrolling, don't worry about it. Cesar, listen, my dude, I need some help with my chihuahua. Whatever I do, I cannot get her to stop biting. I have tried. I've tried the psh thing. Doesn't seem to have an effect. Psh. She is like really, really bad with men. And you're not going to believe this, but she's bad with women too. It's probably that she's not good with anything, you know. Oh, she is really good with grapes. You just have to make sure you pull your hand away fast. Come to think of it, I think this message could be for Cesar Millan or an exorcist. You know what? Maybe Cesar Millan and an exorcist would work. Is Cesar Millan an exorcist?